I don't know how you guys would make it over there, but I think we should go fishing. We're back in the woods. First thing first, I got to get this cabin leveled out. When they set it down, it's settled, and the door is not closing all the way, so here we go. What you got?
Kite.
A kite? Yeah, we're gonna fly a kite. Wifey made it? Oh, good morning, guys. Come on, Bubba. Oh, it's muddy. It might be too high. Lift it up, lift it up.
Why is it upside down? Yeah!
Girl, what you doing?
She was under the trailer.
Chilling. You guys ready to go on a hike?
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, bad girl.
You gotta jump, bub. Gunner's confused. You don't want to come? You're not coming? You don't want to go on a hike? All right, come on. Gunner, why'd you just come back up?
Huh?
So why did you just come back up? Oh.
So we were told by a neighbor that on the other side of our property is an 8-foot waterfall like that, and I think we're gonna go on the hunt to find that. Following you, boss. I don't know how you guys would make it over there, but I think we should go fishing.
Yeah.
To the pond.
We're gonna go see a big waterfall.
Well, we were looking for the waterfall, but we can't find it. What else can we go do?
Back it up a little.
We're gonna do something else, like something else. I think.
Oh, we're gonna try to find a pond?
That way.
The pond?
Mm.
Is it?
Yeah, but we gotta go get fishing poles.
What? Oh, Ashley picks her nose on camera.
So this is my thoughts. Our cleared out area is up there. I want to clear out all these trees open that up, put a dam in here and a dam in there, and put a pond in here. I will show you guys where I think we're gonna build, or at least my thoughts. We haven't talked to a builder yet, but I have a good idea of what I want. Who's a good boy? Gunnar, come here. So I want the house, the barn dominium, kind of slanted, looking back this way. And if we clear out these trees here and open it up, down there is where we'll put the dam in, and you'll be able to look out over the pond. We came to the other side of the property to do some fishing. We're gonna find out if there's anything in there. Is it working? What's wrong? Stop. Put it down right there, okay?
Give him the worm box.
Sometimes I touch worms.
Sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes. I'm like really scared now.
This is what you get for buying a $9 fishing pole.
What just happened?
You're on. Okay, just let it stay there. Keep an eye on your bobber. We do know there's fish in here. Today's just not our day.
I want to one thing.
You want to double them?
All of it?
Kiss.
No. All of them?
All of them, yeah. We're not going to use them. Let them live.
What is that?
I think that must be that scents them like garlic, I'm assuming. I don't know. Floor is so dirty, but on the floorboard there's beer.
Look at the Diet Pepsi. That's like really old.
Super
can.
old, yeah. I think the license plate said like 2006 or something. Yeah. Sissy,
What?
come on, I'll follow you. You gotta show me where to go. We could have just walked over here. I didn't think you would make it up and down all the hills.
We have to go down on the hill, like a drop down.
Yeah, I thought there was a tree stand like right here somewhere, but
There's something.
that's that one that we saw coming up. Kason and I are going to check out this deer stand. It's the only one we found so far. This tree stand is in good shape, looking down the hill. So the guys we have coming to grade the area that I showed you where we were building, they're gonna come through and grade out all these trails throughout the property so they're nice and smooth, and so the kids and I can ride on them. Uh-oh. I really need to get my bobcat down here where the cabin is sitting. We can make some good progress moving a lot of wood and getting it burned, but being as wet as it is, I think that's impossible. We're cooking around the fire tonight, chicken sausage. Maybe you want to put 2 on here? Food is done.
Gunner's so cool.
Excuse me, Gunner. Gunner. A little update in the cabin. We got some couches. We have just thrown some stuff together, but we stayed here last night and we made it.